Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to add a stage frame list view in Odoo. So let's dive into the project module. As we just move on to the project module here, you can see that the default view of the project will be Kanban. And as you just move on to the uh, projects, here you can find the sales order project and you can find different stages over here. Okay. And in this case, we have the option to create a new stage. And upon clicking on add a column, this would obviously allow us to add the stage. So let me add a stage called cancel. Okay. So afterwards, we can click on the tick button so that that will be added over here, right? Now, that is the existing feature uh, till Odoo 18. And this is also available in Odoo 19. Now, as we just move on to the list view, here you can see that we can find different stages and all the tasks under each stage. And here you can see that we have a button called add a stage. Okay, so this would obviously allow us to add a new stage. So from here also we can add a new stage. So currently we have new in progress. Then we can say that uh, the stage name is a review. Okay, and afterwards let me add it. Okay, so as I just add a new stage over here, you can view that and no task has been added over here. Now let me move on to the Kanban over here. So as I just move on to the Kanban here, you can see we can review the stage that we have created recently. So let me drag it and pull it over here. And I just want to change the in progress into review. So let me change that. And again, let's move on to the list view. And here you can find the changes that we have made. So currently we have rearranged the stage that we have created over here. Now we have the other option, that is we have the settings for each uh, stage, and if you want to make any further changes with the stage, we can just use the settings to do the addition or the automations. So upon clicking on the edit, you can see that we can just make further changes. Like if you want to just fold this into Kanban view, we can just enable this feature, which is a feature existed till the previous version. Now let me save the changes that I have made. And once it's been set, and when we move on to the Kanban view, so here you can see that currently this stage has been folded, and yeah, you can see it's been folded over here. Now if you want to unfold this stage, you can also click on the stage so that it will be unfolding over here. So this is a new feature in Odoo 19, like adding of the stage from the list view. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.